Good morning, guys, and welcome to another week of lunch videos. I can't believe how fast the weeks are going by. I have a few shout outs that I want to do. A lot of people have been asking me for shout outs on my other videos, which if you do want shout outs, you have to comment on the lunch videos, because then I won't be able to locate the comments, because I get so many comments throughout the week. So it's hard to find the comments that are asking for shout outs on other videos. So if you do want shout outs, leave them under this video, and I will make sure to, when I randomly do shout outs, because I don't do shout outs every single videos, if that makes any sense. So I just wanted to put a little introduction before the video, because Tuesday there was school, but my children had half day because it was a voting day or something like that for public school. They had no school, but my children had school, but it was half day because they had parent-teacher conference. So that's why there's no lunch for Tuesday. On Wednesday, I had to take them to the grocery store to get lunch, because it's been rough. It's been a struggle. And then there's a few days without my toddlers down here, so do not. There's a few days without after school and stuff, so that's why that's missing. So let's just get into the shout outs. Okay, I just realized that that shout out was too long, so I'm gonna put it at the end of the video. So if you guys want to see the shout out, stay tuned for that. Next is the actual lunch video. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys, and welcome to another week of lunch videos. I don't even know what week it is. Today is Monday. Let's get into the video. So Jordan is gonna have a Kool-Aid Jammers. This is the first time I've given them this brand of juice. I didn't even look at the sugar content. He's gonna have a club he's gonna have a club sandwich crackers. He has some carrots, his ranch dressing, mandarin orange, and he's having mac and cheese, his water. Destiny's having the exact same thing, except hers is peanut butter and her water. Jaxson is having the same exact thing. He's having what Jordan is having over there, and Jason is having what Destiny is having. This is the fastest I've ever got through a Monday morning. Anyways, I'll see you guys after school today. So it's after school on Monday. This is Jackson's. He didn't touch his, I don't think he opened this. It's still full. And his thermos is empty. Good job, Jack. This is Jordan. He's still struggling with his carrot. He left a few mandarin, and his thermos is empty. This is Jason. Jason does really well with his food. Yeah. And then this is Destiny. She did pretty good. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, and I'm out of food, like completely out of food. So I'm going to the grocery store now to go pick up just random stuff to throw in their lunch bag. So I'll show you guys what I pick up for them, but I do have juice. That's about it. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so for lunch today, Jackson's having a Just Mix Greek yogurt chocolate hazelnut. Got him a little spoon. Put that in his this is so ghetto.
Give that to Jack.
And he's gonna have a Lunchable. This is turkey and American cheese stackers.
That's Jack.
Even though I already have a juice for him. And then he's gonna have a Pringles. Miss Destiny?
Mine is in my lunch box.
The boys. Well, give him the boys until you find yours. The twins are having Lunchable stackers.
Mine is
nacho. Destiny's the same. And they're having yogurt too. So they're having yogurt, Cheez-It.
And pop.
I spent $20. $20. This is a waste. Ugh. I'm beating myself up right now. Anyways, I will see you guys after school today. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday and I am all over the place. You guys gotta forgive me. This is a mess. I know it's a mess and I'm trying to get it together this week, okay? They're gonna have, I don't know what these are, but they have hot dogs. They have a hot dog in there for protein. It's just a muffin. Some party mix, some grapes and mandarin, room water, what are these, graham crackers. Destiny's having the same thing. I need to get their water, but right now, first I was going to send Jaxson to a field trip. Then I decided I wasn't going to send him to a field trip. Then the teacher said it's okay to send him to a field trip because at their school they don't have buses, so you have to drive your own personal car. So I wasn't going to be able to take him, and then she said it's okay because she's going to take him in her car. So I was like, okay. Then now we're rushing. Now I have to go find his school shirt because they have to wear their school shirt when they go out in public. That way they know who's who. And so I just quickly put that together. This is just a muffin in a bag. Because they have to, everything has to be disposable. Then he just have this sandwich that I drew on for no reason. He has a mandarin orange, a room water, and a snack. I think this is enough food for him. Hopefully it is. And Jason is having the same exact thing. So I will see you guys after school today.
It is after school on Thursday, and we're missing Jordan, but we're missing Jason, but he ate everything. And this is mine. I ate everything. This is Jordan. He left cornbread pieces, but he ate it. And then he left his orange.
Tell the truth, it's actually Friday morning.
It's a Friday morning, though, but so yeah, we'll see you guys when mommy is done with the video.
Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. I'm so excited because it's what? It's Friday, and we have I don't know what this is. It's just bacon and cream cheese. Look at it. Oh, and they're gonna have some sour cream. I was about to say sweet and sour chips. What? They're gonna have some sour cream and onion, sour cream and onion chips. This is just a trail mix. So it has cranberries, almond, cherries, blueberries, buttercup, chocolate, peanut, raisin, all kind of stuff in here. I'm pretty sure they don't have every single thing that I mentioned, but graham cracker and his juice. So that's what Mr. Jordan is having. And I found these little candy eyeballs on sale at Target. They were having their 70% off their Halloween candy. So I just picked those up because I thought they were so cute, and one, they were affordable. So yeah, this is having the same exact thing, and then she's having chips and her trail mix, and that's what Miss Destiny is having. I don't see the cover for her. Can you look down here and find the cover for this? Her graham cracker and her juice. Jackson's having the same thing. His sides are in this side section. His graham cracker, his juice. Jason's having the same thing. So I will see you guys, if not after school today, I will see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for watching this week worth of lunch video. And we have something to say?
We'll see you
Monday. All right, bye guys.
It is after school on Friday, and Jordan, he ate his bagel. He ate his sides, and then I ate my bagels, and then I left the little raisins in there because I hate raisins, and I know because I know. Then Jason, he ate his bagel and he ate everything else, and then Jaxson, he ate everything. So we'll see you guys next week. Bye.
So the first shout out goes to Life by Jen. She said, who do you think touches their food? Tiny robots. Yeah. Becca Hope. Becca is my girl. She's always watching. Candice Candice Hurt. Why did I just do that? Now I can't read the comments. Candice Hurt. Shout out to you for always watching and commenting. Sarah's my girl. Kicking it with the Grants. Shay, of course you guys know that she's just starting out with her lunch video, so go check her out. Her channel name is Kicking It with the Grants. So if you like my lunch videos, you will definitely like hers, because we don't care what we feed our kids. No, that's not true. But I'm saying in terms of sugar and all that, yeah, we really don't feed the kids what they like, you know what I mean? That's our motto. Deborah Brooks, that's my girl. Deborah's been watching since forever. Kira, shout out to Kira. Raising Muslimas. If I'm butchering that, please comment down below and let me know. The Jerster. Oh, I'm horrible at this. Heather Oliver, shout out to you. Elsie Phillips, shout out to you. Wayne McLean, is it McLean or McLean? My toddler here wanting juice. A shout out to her. Shout out to Shanika Green. Brianna Pruitt, it's my birthday. Happy belated birthday to you. AKS. Tanea Taylor. Sadea Chima. Sadea. Sade, or is it Sade? I know. Sadea. I don't know. Shout out to you. Anna Broas. Jacqueline Diaz and Angie Fairbanks. Shout out to you guys for commenting on my videos. I'm sorry if I butcher your name. I'm horrible at names. And with that said, I have to go. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.